Selecting the optimal software package hinges on individual requirements and the demands of the specific industry. Several software suites are widely recognized for their comprehensive features. Consider the Microsoft Office suite, encompassing Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and various productivity tools. Another option is the Adobe Creative Suite, featuring Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Premiere Pro, and other tools tailored for creative tasks. For professionals in architecture, engineering, and design, Autodesk AutoCAD is a common choice. Cloud-based accounting and financial management is provided by Sage Intacct. Salesforce excels in customer relationship management and sales automation. Finally, Google Workspace provides Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Docs, Sheets, and other collaboration tools. The investment in a software package often reflects the extent of its features, functionality, and the support provided. High-priced software typically includes advanced data analysis tools, specialized design capabilities, and functionalities specific to certain industries. A broader range of tools and integration capabilities with other systems are common. Furthermore, dedicated technical support, thorough documentation, and comprehensive training are usually included. The decision of whether a more expensive software package is worthwhile depends on several factors. Firstly, consider whether the software fulfills all requirements and offers substantial advantages over less expensive options. Secondly, evaluate your budget to determine if the cost of the software and its ongoing upkeep are feasible. Thirdly, assess the potential return on investment, determining whether the enhanced productivity or efficiency gained from the software justifies the expense. Generally, if you require advanced features, extensive functionality, and professional support, a more expensive software package might be a sound investment. However, for fundamental or limited applications, a less expensive alternative may be adequate.